like to be the first to welcome you to Houston, where the local time is 7:18 p.m. We hope you enjoy your time in Houston or wherever your travels may take you, and if this is home, welcome home. Please stay comfortably seated until the seatbelt sign is turned off. You can now use your phones and other small devices. Don't forget to check your seat back pockets to make sure you have all of your belongings, and be careful when opening the overhead compartments. From all of us at United and our Star Alliance partners, we'd like to thank you for flying with us tonight. We're sorry for the late arrival, and we appreciate your patience and understanding. Aside from the delay, we hope you enjoyed flying with us, and we look forward to having you again on another United flight. Welcome to Houston.
Okay, so we know almost everyone on the plane is connecting. If you don't have a tight connection, if you have anything after 8 o'clock, if you wouldn't mind waiting and letting those customers with the tighter connections get off first, I'm sure they would really appreciate it. Remember, it could be you next time. And I'll just read out a few of the gate numbers because I know a few people were asking me about their gates. We're still texting, so please sit down right now. Yeah. So for the few people going to Arkansas, the gate number is B24. Also real quick, if you do have a tight connection, in the back of the Hemispheres magazine there is actually a map that shows the Houston airport and where the gates are. Of course, there's also signs outside. Philadelphia is going to be gate C31. Columbus, Ohio is A8. St. Louis is B10. Wichita, Kansas is B3. Colorado Springs B31. Greenville, South Carolina E1. Oklahoma City C41. Orange County C15. New Orleans E12. Baton Rouge B16. And everyone after that should be okay. You can just check the boards once you get outside.